Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming your Motorola model and Android version. This matters because menus differ. Once done, open Settings and navigate to Apps or Apps and Notifications. Make sure to back up your current settings and note the default search app listed. That gives you a rollback path. You will need Wi-Fi and your device PIN unlocked. Now locate the search app entry. This is the first actionable step towards stopping the search engine selector from taking focus. Next, open the app info page for the search engine selector. You can force stop, then disable the app if the option is available. Disabling prevents background activity. If disabling is blocked, revoke its permissions and clear defaults so it cannot claim search intents. Then explicitly set your preferred browser or assistant as the default search app in default apps. This sequence ensures the selector relinquishes control, reducing prompts and unexpected switches. To finish, reboot the phone and test search actions from home screen, browser address bar, and voice input to confirm the selector no longer interrupts. If it reappears, return to App Info, clear app data and defaults, then reassign your preferred default again. This often resolves persistent claims. If problems persist after those steps, consider a factory reset only after backing up everything. One key troubleshooting tip. Safe mode helps identify whether a third-party app is reactivating the selector.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.